Hey, what's up guys? Quick video for you today. So, I'm out in Ocala with a bunch of friends, Ocala National Forest, and we're here on a lake doing a little bit of camping, a little bit of fishing, a little bit of cooking. And a bunch of us got here yesterday, as well as myself, and it's a weekend trip. I just kind of didn't want to film yesterday. Just wanted to hang out with everyone and do a lot of fishing and stuff, which we did. So in retrospect, I wish I would have filmed a little bit, because yesterday was a lot of fun. We did catch a whole lot of fish, so hopefully we will do that again today. And mostly we're fishing for bass, so we're going to see how that goes. We have all day, the sun just came up. I need to make some breakfast, get a little food in me, and I'm going to hit the water. Tim's probably going to be on the water in about 2 minutes, and I still have to eat, so. And then Eli, he's still sleeping. I know he's going to want to be on the water fishing. So yesterday it was mostly Eli and I. We were catching bass. Like I would catch one, a couple minutes later he'd catch one. Of course, fishermen stay alright. No proof because I didn't film, but it'll happen again today. So, and Sean Rewild should show up at some point today. And he's going to be super jealous because by the time he gets here, I will have caught all the bass in the lake, leaving him none. On that note, let's get some breakfast going, man. Starving.
A little chilled in the air this morning.
Yeah.
Gotta love camping.
But I used to cook at a bowling alley, and they had one there, and I just would play that shit for hours in the downtime. I was never a pinball person, but I loved that movie, and that was the only machine that they had after they had the Terminator 2 one, which I just never played, and then I was like, oh, I'll play Starship Troopers because I liked that.
So, breakfast. Whatever.
Best I can do was in the Marine sniper. He was winning with that.
Look at that shot. A shot of a shot.
And I'll take you all the way.
Filed it. This is reading.
You just empty your refrigerator out, make a stew, and you're... Yeah, what you got to do?
Yeah.